Guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using one pack of soft lock hair. So this hair didn't come pre-looped, so I had to cut it into two equal parts, separate it and tie it together to form my own loop. We're also going to be using this bouncy kinky hair. I got this hair from Nigeria. It's from the Expression brand. We're going to just be using one bundle for the hair from the bouncy kinky hair because it's actually quite big. And I also showed you guys this coily hair that I got from Amazon. I didn't use this hair because it was not just giving the vibes I was going for. You also be needing your crochet needle, your hair mousse, and your shine and jam for this hair tutorial. So yeah, I was showing you guys the locks with the coils at the bottom, and I'll be showing you guys how I added the coily beads at the end of my lock. So this is the coily hair I later used. I got this hair from the beauty supply store, and this was the hair straight out of the pack. So to put the coily hair at the bottom of your locks, you want to cut off the hair from the hair weft, measure the size and the length of what you want. Then you're going to get that bouncy kinky hair and just put it there and just hold them together and just start wrapping it. So once you get to the bottom of the locks, you want to split that kinky hair into tiny different bits and start wrapping it upwards, so that way it doesn't unravel and the coily bit stays in the lock. So if you don't get what I'm trying to say, is, you know, when you added the coily bit to the lock, you wrapped downwards with the kinky hair. So now you've gotten to the end, you want to start splitting the kinky hair into tiny little pieces and just wrapping it upward, so that way it just locks in together and doesn't unravel. You don't need to use any glue or anything. So I'm just going to keep quiet and let you guys watch what I was doing. So I went off camera and I did one lock just to see what it looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how to install your locks in your braids. So to install your locks in your braids, you want to loosen up the braids a little bit, just let me say to the middle. Then you want to just pull one strand. You know, when you're braiding your hair, you have 3 strands. So you want to just take one strand, loop it inside the lock, then just braid it downwards. Then to add the coily bead to the top of my hair or wherever you want it, I want mine at the top. Just get the coily beads, crochet it in at wherever you want it. I want mine at the top, so you see me crocheting it in at the top. Then I'm going to get the kinky hair and crochet at the top, and I'm just going to use it to wrap. You also want to use a clip to just hold the coily piece you want to fall, to avoid distraction. And I'm going to stop talking right now so you guys can see what I'm doing and just get a hang of it. And I'm also going to do an extra lock, so in case you didn't get the first one, you can look at the second one and understand what I did. I'm going to go off camera and complete the rest of my hair. And this was the next day, and this was how it was looking. Guys, I was obsessed. Like, so I was just about to lay my edges, which didn't go well at all. And I'm just going to use mousse to you know, put on that synthetic coily hair just to make it look good, and I don't know, just add mousse to it just for it to maintain its form. And yeah, this is how the hair was looking. I was in love with this hair. I really loved it. So tell me what you guys think. Will you be trying this style? I didn't want the Boho Locs. Like, it's boho, but I didn't want the full coily effect. You know, I just wanted this one. It just looked so good. Yeah, I was obsessed, basically. I'm just talking. Yeah, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, and yeah, bye guys, see you in my next video.
To the king of sounds and blues.
Okay, y'all, so this was the end result for the locks after 1 month. Yes, and it was giving everything it's supposed to give. Girl 8. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and comment.